Starting with some breaking news first, and it is about the Mandsaur rape case. Folk singer Malini Awasthi has taken to social media site Twitter and condemned the horrific incident of rape of an almost 8-year-old schoolgirl in Mandsaur. In her reaction on Twitter, she compared the Mandsaur rape case with that to the Kothua rape. Now she's added that there is no significant voice from any prominent Hindi film industry this time reacting on it. She's questioning why those who took active stand on the Kothua rape and murder case are silent this time. She said, and I quote, "Only double standards of discrimination among children can be secular," unquote. Her divisive tweet has now created a furry on social media already. Let me go across to India Today's Nilanshu Shukla. Nilanshu, when did the folk singer put forth this reaction and who is she precisely referring to?
See, let me tell you that, Pooja, that Malini Awasthi has tweeted saying that there were sections of Bollywood celebrities and also people in media who were quite vocal and quite angry over the Kathua incident, but they are keeping absolutely mum on the Mandsaur rape incident, and this really shows the double standards of these celebrities and also section of media. She has also said that these type of people should come out in open and should speak on all the issues. So this has sparked, you can say that this has sparked a storm on social media, and there are a lot of people who are openly coming in support of Malini Awasthi on Twitter, and also there are a lot of people who are opposing her, because let me tell you that Malini Awasthi is not a folk singer. She's not only a folk singer, she's also wife of a senior IAS officer posted in UP government in information department office. So some of the people are also seeing her statement as a political move, but after this entire controversy erupted and after Malini Awasthi got a lot of reactions on Twitter after her tweet, she has again tweeted saying that she will stand by whatever she has written on Twitter, and Bollywood celebrities and media should not have selective outrage over this issue. So there are a lot of people who are right now commenting on the tweet of Malini Awasthi.
What are they saying, Nilanshu? What are they commenting? Are they in agreement with Malini Awasthi, or are they saying she shouldn't have tweeted like that?
See, there are people who are, some of the people who are openly coming in support of Malini Awasthi.
Okay.
They are saying that there is selective outrage in Bollywood and also in media, which is quite visible in previous incidents as well, and this is not the only incident where the selective outrage has been seen. However, there are a lot of people who are also questioning the timing of the tweet and also the content of the tweet. They are saying that Malini Awasthi has political aspirations, because we have seen that in the last few days she has been tweeting about social issues, about the opposition as well. So some of the people are seeing her tweet as a political statement as well, which has been made for political aspiration, because the people feel that Malini Awasthi is wife of a senior IAS officer who is posted in information department, who is also close to Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. So there are mixed reactions over her tweet, but Malini Awasthi is adamant. She is sticking by her statement, and she has already posted about this on Twitter.
All right, Nilanshu, thank you for getting us that development. Clearly there is outrage now, and there's also questioning for the selective outrage on such rape cases.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.